This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Jen Freeman and Leah Cruz. Fantastic single-level living just minutes to the heart of downtown Blaine. Welcome to Wilson Avenue. This is the floor plan you've been waiting for. 3 bedrooms with no stairs that features an open concept living / dining / kitchen design, hardwood flooring, custom cabinetry, vaulted ceilings, gas fireplace and direct access to spacious backyard. Established neighborhood with the flexibility of no HOA plus adjacent to a community park. A few cosmetic updates and this gem will shine again. Don't miss the opportunity to update to your tastes. Attached 2-car garage. Ideal location with easy access to I-5, 2 US/Canada border crossings and to downtown dining, shopping, schools and saltwater marina. For more information, review the details below or contact Jen Freeman and Leah Cruz at 360-815-0803.